This video is on Ingenuity Swing Disassembly. This Ingenuity Dream Comfort Enlightened Cradling Swing is a popular baby product, but boy, the how to disassemble Ingenuity Dream Comfort Swing is not straightforward. Anyway, I will cover how do you take apart an Ingenuity Dream Comfort Swing step by step, and I start right now. Let's start how to disassemble Ingenuity Dream Comfort Swing by removing the toy mobile. Press the handle on the sides and lift the seat. Release this lock and fold the frame. Grab a screwdriver to release the push pins. In this step, I disconnect the screws. The swing came with a plastic tool, but you can use a plier to hold the nut when unscrewing. I finished the frame disassembly. Now let's continue Ingenuity Swing disassembly by dismantling the seat. Releasing this rocker foot is a little tricky. Use a flat screwdriver to disconnect the joint. By the way, I have other videos on the assembly, battery and power cord of this Ingenuity 2-in-1 swing and rocker if you're interested. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.